Are you familiar with the most recent statement made by the Australian government? For 2023, they intend to choose 180,000 new immigrants. Any of these 180,000 unskilled Australian visa sponsorship positions are open to you to apply for in 2023. This program was created because Australia has a severe labor shortage and needs to employ people from other nations to make up the shortfall. Hi guys. Welcome to NextStepImmigration. Please watch the entire video to get all the crucial information about this Australian visa sponsorship scheme. People who are willing to work as unskilled workers but lack formal education or high levels of expertise are a suitable fit for the fruit-picking job. It is now possible to apply for fruit-picking jobs in Australia with sponsorship of a visa in 2023. Most Australians do not apply for these jobs as this industry is connected to agriculture. Fruit picker jobs are prevalent employment in Australia, much like agricultural worker jobs. The use of farm workers is well recognized in Australia as well. Due to a current manpower deficit in Australia's agriculture sector, there is a severe labor shortage for fruit picking employment. They want to fill at least 180,000 vacancies and maybe as much as 200,000 positions related to visa sponsorship in 2023. The typical annual salary of a fruit picker is $57,000, or $29 per hour. Your role will be that of a fruit picker, and the work is based in Australia's agricultural sector. Farm workers are not restricted by age or by experience. The visa is completely sponsored, and assistance for relocation and accommodation are offered. Why would someone harvest fruit in Australia? In the previous year, Australian agricultural recruiters employed more than 2,200 people for jobs that included harvesting fruit and doing other harvest-related duties. Due to the size of Australia and the number of towns and regions, many landowners in these areas are looking for farm workers. The benefits include: 1. No college degree needed. 2. Ideal for unskilled employees. 3. Constantly accessible. 4. Support or accommodations will be made available. 5. Assistance with relocation, such as flights. Anyone interested in fruit-picking employment in Australia with visa sponsorship may apply from anywhere, regardless of where they are from. Applicants may come from anywhere. All candidates, even those who are not Australian citizens, are invited. It's important to keep in mind that only those that the company considers to be qualified for the position will be contacted. Applications come from emerging nations such as Sri Lanka, Indonesia, India, Nigeria, Philippines, Pakistan, Kenya, Cameroon, Ghana, and others. You can come from any country. For many young people visiting Australia, harvesting fruit has turned into a must-do activity. Fruit picking season typically begins in Australia in December and lasts until May. How do you apply for these jobs? Step 1. Visit the workforceaustralia.gov.au webpage. The official website of the Australian government for job searching is called Workforce Australia. Many Australian agricultural businesses have posted numerous fruit-picking jobs on this website. Many positions are continually being posted. Write visa sponsorship or fruit picker or any other relevant search in the search box. It will provide a list of all fruit farming related occupations available for sponsorship of a visa within Australia. In addition, you can apply by visiting seek.com.au webpage. The most popular employment site in Australia is called Seek, and there you may locate any job in Australia sponsored by a visa. Use of Seek is extremely simple. Along with every job description, you will discover a list of companies and every kind of work available. You will see a list of more than 2,341 jobs. Next, type the keywords visa sponsorship or fruit picker jobs into the search field. Then, choose Australia as the destination. Select Australia as a whole. Following that, a list of all Australian jobs that sponsor visas will appear. You may now click on the one you want and apply right away from this page. If you have done this before or if you had any difficulties when doing it, please share your opinions with us in the comments area. To be informed about employment and immigration news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Good luck.